Alright guys, here is your grammar for Tuesday for week 7, so please make sure you make your corrections. The first one says, place a check by the correctly written compound sentences. So if you want to leave the other ones blank or just put an X, that's fine. So, compound sentences. You're trying to find two sentences put together by a comma and a conjunction. So the first one says, baby sharks are 5 feet long at birth, comma conjunction, but they grow to be around 15 feet long. So that one's perfect. You have your comma conjunction. Number 2, baby sharks swim away from their mothers at birth, or their mothers might see them as prey and eat them. Here you just have the conjunction, so no, that would not be a compound sentence. For number 3, great white sharks are the largest ocean predators, and they swim over 40 miles per hour. All you have is your conjunction. You don't have your comma, so that would not be counted as a compound sentence. Now, that doesn't mean that it's wrong, it just means it's not a compound sentence. For your next part, you have your prefixes. You're trying to find the root word and then write what the meaning of the word would be. So for unnecessary, you have un. So if it's unnecessary, that means it is not necessary. You do not need to do it. And make sure you work on your spelling as you're doing these words and your handwriting or your typing. For illegible, you have IL as your prefix. IL means not, so not legible. Legible is another way to say that you can't read it. So if your handwriting is really bad and someone can't read what you're writing, they would say, oh, that is illegible. Okay? For the last one, you have incorrect. In would be your prefix, so it means not correct or not right. And that's how you know the answer for that one. For your sentence, you have some different words that are misspelled. So it says, Mom gave me permission to go to Grandma's house after school. So, we already know permission is misspelled, so you would actually spell it Permission. We always capitalize the beginning of the sentence. We always put some kind of punctuation at the end. This one is just a statement, so we're going to put a period. Mom gave me permission to go. This means more than one, basically in addition. So we just need two, T-O, like you're going somewhere. Grandma, it's her house, that's her name, so we're going to capitalize Grandma. It's her house, add an apostrophe, after school. So whenever you write it, or type it, all you do is very neatly make your changes. And if you're working on your typing, you're going to get really good at this. And then just go back and double check your corrections. We got mom, we fixed permission, we fixed the T-O for go, 2, we got grandma, and the apostrophe, and your punctuation. So guys, please just go back and double check behind yourself. For your comparative and superlative adjectives, think of a pool. I'm in the deep end, but my cousin went to the deeper part, but my dad went to the deepest part. So they're different levels. The green grass, well, the neighbor had greener grass, but grandma had the greenest grass. And then you're taking out trash. The bag was super heavy, but your friend had one that was even heavier, but your aunt had one that was heaviest. And then the last one, I disagree with it sometimes, but it's a little muffin. I say smaller, smallest, but so they're going to say, you can say littler and littlest, but I would not do that very often because it doesn't sound correct. And then for your last one, it says sharks swim very fast. They can travel hundreds of miles in a day. So how do we combine them? So we're saying we've got a comma, comma, no conjunction. So if there's no conjunction, it's totally wrong because that makes no sense. Sharks swim very fast, they can travel. That's a run-on sentence. For A, sharks swim very fast so they can travel hundreds of miles in a day. That's pretty good. B says sharks swim very fast or they can travel hundreds of miles in a day. That makes no sense. So the best option would be A. So guys, please make sure you make your corrections and please let us know if you have any questions.